Well, the shorts don't always get it right, Pete. H&E Equipment Services, what do? They rent those like aerial, those cranes and things like that, or those platforms that lift and things like that, Pete. That's something that United Rentals has had their eye on apparently for a while. Well, they've got 1.3 million shares short in this one, Pete. Now, it's only about 5%. But I guarantee it's a really painful 5% because the stock is up 100%.
That's painful. That I don't care who you are or how you look at things. That is brutal. Yep, you're right, John. Up 100, 105%, not so bad. This is a major move. This is a $4.8 billion deal that's happening. By the way, I keep mentioning it. I want to force that again back at people. That's another big deal. We had some big deals in the healthcare world as well. And we're talking about some of the other deals that are going on. Investment banking probably is doing pretty well. By the way, United Rentals, usually, John, and you and I both know this, usually you make a deal like this, you're putting down some real money to buy somebody, and it's going to be great. The synergies are fantastic. You're going to usually go down maybe 3, 4, 5%, something like that. Nope, URI up 3 to 4% today, United Rentals. Not bad. People are reading into this saying, you know what? This is a great move, and they're going to be able to leverage this thing, and the cost synergies are going to be there. This is a great move, I think, going forward for URI. Obviously, people are interpreting it that way, and we're seeing that stock up pretty nicely as well on a day where the stock they're buying is 100+%. That ain't so bad.
And why do you bid that high? Well, Pete and I both know why. Because they're afraid whoever the competitors are for United Rentals, they don't want somebody else stepping in. You could bid 30% over the closing price, and maybe you just light a fire under some PE firm, Pete, that comes in, or some other competitor of yours that says, 160 locations around the country. I kind of like this. Well, we'll see whether or not the Federal Trade Commission even lets them do this, Pete, because United Rentals is a pretty big player. But I'm sure they looked at it. I'm sure they thought about it, and they think they can get it through maybe under a President Trump. So they went for it.